Good morning and welcome to Edficiency. Right now the startup screen is showing that I don't have a resource today. If I did have a resource, it would show you your list of students and then you'd be allowed to take attendance. Notice there resource 1 is selected. As part of the social studies department, I don't have a resource 1 on Wednesdays, but I do have to make up my resources for next week. So I'm going to flip to resource 2. The action takes place under the menu heading of Manage and My Sessions. And here are the ones I already have scheduled. I've got next week, or I'm sorry, I got this week taken care of. I'm going to add a session. I'm going to select a date, and I'm down into the 19th. And I'm going to call it AP US History Resource. I'm going to set it to have 20 seats. I'm going to use the room selection and show that it's my room. And I'm going to hit Save Session because everything underneath that is a list of things already going on. I don't want to promote this. I don't want this to go to the very top of the list, so I'm just going to hit Cancel. And there, my session is created. If I had made some sort of mistake and I didn't like it, it was on the wrong day, the wrong resource, I could choose it and I could delete it and get rid of it immediately. But it's there and we're good to go. Thanks.